Hello friends, good evening. Once again, your friend, your philosopher and your guide Asif from Lucknow is with you. And we are talking a wonderful topic, that is positive thinking. One video I have already uploaded in this line, and I request all of you to watch that video, then you watch this video. Then you will enjoy the segment. I would like to recapitulate what I talked in the previous video. Please understand, this topic is a relatively bigger topic, so it is taking time. In the last video, I talked about self-esteem. The first thing which we must do is to develop a very positive thinking about ourselves. Our word starts from ours. If you have a positive outlook about yourself, definitely others will also value you, others will also respect you, and others will also consider you an important person. So our self-esteem must be very high. We should not have any kind of negativity about our face, about our complexion, or about our body index. The reason is very simple. Success has nothing to do with your physical appearance. Success is the result of your talent. It is a talent due to which people become famous. It is a talent due to which people have many millions followers. It is not the face. So we must have a very strong and very positive self-esteem. This is the first foundation for positive thinking, positive attitude, positive frame of mind, or positive bent of mind. The second thing now I am going to discuss, my dear children, what kind of thinking do you have about others? You know that this word is interdependent word. We all need others to survive. A child needs mother, then only he can survive. Otherwise a child can't survive. We live in a family, we live in a group, we live in localities, our society, our district, our state. So if we cannot have a positive binding and positive relationship with others, then there will be immense problems in our life. And the major issue that comes in the positive bonding is the thinking of the person. I talk to many people, and when we discuss that, how are your parents? Many people say, oh, my parents are not good, they don't understand my feelings, they only try to impose their wishes on me. Then I talk, how are your siblings? Means brothers and sisters. Almost the same thing they say, that you know that nowadays the youngers don't obey the elders. When I ask my younger brother for a glass of water or anything, he refuses, he defers. Then I talk that, how are your locality persons? Almost the same answer they give. I immediately figure out, I immediately make out that the problem is with this fellow. The problem is with his thinking, and the problem is with his perspective, and the problem is with his outlook, and ultimately the problem is with his attitude. This is called attitudinal problem. Please understand, we are not God, we are not goddess, we are human being, and every human being is the mixture of, is the blend of strengths and weaknesses. We all have our strengths and we all have our weaknesses. When we develop an attitude that we only pinpoint the weakness of the other person, then it is called that the person has a faulty thought process when it comes to others. This becomes the habit of the person. If he meets his brother, if he meets his friend, if he meets his colleague, the first thing he will focus, that is the problem with that person, that is the demerit of the person, that is the inadequacy of that person, and that is the insufficiency of the person. Instead, we do the reverse. Firstly, we must see that what are the good qualities of the person. See, there may be generation gap. There are many parents who don't understand the genuine problems of their youngsters. But that doesn't mean that we, in totality, we call them that my parents are not good. In totality, they are not bad. Their intentions are good. They love you the most. Same thing happens with brothers and sisters. Younger brothers, he's young, he's just 13, he's just 14. He's a boyish kind of nature he has got. Sometimes he might ignore you. Arey yaar, don't take it so seriously. He's your blood. He's your brother. Friends, many people say nowadays everything is a cheat. Everybody is selfish. Everybody is a self-centered person. My dear friends, please don't believe them. Please don't trust them. A lot of good people, so many good people are around us. So many positive people are around us. So many noble persons are around us. So every person is not wicked. Every person is not selfish, and every person is not self-centered. There might be some people. Many people have biases about religion, that this religion people are bad and this religion people are good. They have the biases regarding caste. This caste is bad, this caste is good. They have the biases about state, that this state people are very arrogant and very bad and these state people are good. My dear friends, please remove these things. Please shut out these things, because in every religion, because in every community, because in every state, there are good people and there are bad people. There are good people and there are bad people, I am repeating. No single community can claim we have only positive people. No, this is not. Because we all are human beings, and it is the nature of the person that some people are not positive. However hard you try on them, they remain negative. So we must have a positive glasses on our eyes. We must not have the negative glasses. I am not saying that you don't evaluate the person. We must be very, very alert. Yes, in today's society, there are many bad people. They want to use you. They want to emotionally exploit you, and they want to cheat you. Yes, this is correct. But that doesn't mean that with every person you have a skeptic attitude. You should have some reason to doubt the integrity of the person. You should have some solid ground. Without any ground, if we just presume that, if we just assume that everybody is bad, then actually the problem is with our classes. So we must have a balanced approach when it comes to people. We should analyze them first, and then we should put a title on them of good or bad people. Without analyzing the people, we should never give the sweeping remarks. There are many people, they make generalized statement. These kind of statements do not come from the mouth of wise people, do not come from the voice of mature people. They have a very balanced and very rational and very logical perspective when it comes to people. And we should be a strength oriented person. We should look at the strength of the other person. Then we will feel happy. Then we will like our parents. Then we will like our friends. And then we will like our brothers and sisters. Okay, so I am going to conclude, my dear friends, on this topic here. One more video I would like to upload, because I have to discuss the third point in this segment. Please wait for some time, and please, I would request all of you that please work on your thinking. Definitely, if we improve our thinking, our life becomes very easy, our life becomes very peaceful, and we have sound sleep in the night. Otherwise, negative thinking leads to stress. Negative thinking leads to depression, and negative thinking leads to many problems. Okay, Thank you so much. You have watched this video. I'm really very thankful to you. If you like this video, if you find that yes, there is something logical which Mr. Khan is talking, then please subscribe my channel. Please like these videos and please share these videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all.